si Hipag ni Ate Lorna. Nakasama ko siya ng matagal. Tuwing umaga, pumupunta siya sa amin, kakain kay inay, maglalakad-lakad. Pagka nakikita niya kami, tatanungin niya, anong niluluto niyo? Ganon. Ganyan ang tanong niya lagi sa amin. Masaya siya. Yung, pag tatawagin namin siya, halika, sumama ka sa amin, makikain ka rin. Masaya naman kasama si Ate Lorna. Hanggang sa yun na nga, hindi namin inaasahan. Bigla-bigla ang nangyari sa kanya. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Sana nandito ka pate, pero siguro gusto na rin ng Diyos na lumagay ka sa ganyang sitwasyon. Malaki ang naitulong mo sa aming pamilya. Nagpapasalamat ako at gagabayan mo kami, te.
My shattered dreams and broken heart are mending on the shelf. I saw you holding hands, standing close to someone else. Now I sit all alone, wishing all my feelings was gone. I gave my best to you, nothing for me to do but have one last cry, one last cry before I leave it all behind. I gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living a lie. I guess I'm down to my last cry. I was here, you were there. Guess we never could agree. While the sun shines on you, I need some love to rain on me. Still I sit all alone, wishing all my feelings was gone. Gotta get over you, nothing for me to do but have one last cry, one last cry before I leave it all behind. I gotta pull you out of my mind this time. Stop living a lie. I guess I'm done. I guess I'm done. I guess I'm done. To my last cry.
Can't say I don't love her, still I can't pretend. And my heart is torn just knowing that I'm losing my best friend. If it's easier said than done, then someone tell me why. Though I try, I can't find the words to say goodbye. I could tell her that I'm sorry and hope she'll understand. She will have to do with someone else all that we had planned. I'd rather her hear the truth than hurt her with a lie. So I try, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Now I know I have to go. There's no other way. But goodbye is not what I can bring myself to say. If I told her see you later, then I might be wrong. 'Cause this voice inside is driving me to find where I belong. And I know I must leave her now, but